Hi everyone, Megan here. If you follow my page, you know that I have been following Healthy Mummy for 2.5 years now. In that time, I have lost 20 kilos and I absolutely love my new lifestyle. So what this page is about is just showing you some of the exercises I do. There'll be recipes and smoothies and things slowly added so that you can see how it is I live my life to get these results. Now today we're going to do a lower body workout, and it is going to be more focused mainly on your butt and thighs. If you are a Healthy Mummy user, when you go into the app and you go into the app workouts, these exercises have been taken from various different workouts from our butt and thigh workout. Okay, so you can see them all in there. It is all standing, so it is nice and easy that you can give it a go and see how you go. Firstly, we're just going to do a little quick warm up just to get our lower body nice and warm just before we get into it. So just sidestepping for me. The birds are out in force today, so apologies, but you're going to hear lots of squawking from them. Okay. Now just give me some nice simple heel downs. Alright, and just a light little jog on the spot. You just want to make sure that if you haven't done any exercise before jumping on right now, that the lower body, the muscles have just slightly warmed up a little. Alright, we're going to get into it. What we're going to start with is some standing lunges. So split the legs apart. Doesn't matter which one you go forward first, and let's go up and down. Keep going for me. Just nice and slow, nice and controlled. Okay, now for the last one, bring it down and just pulse it there for 10 seconds. Keep going, keep pulsing. Okay, up, shake them out. Okay, then obviously what we're going to do is we're going to change legs. So split those legs apart. All right, do the opposite to obviously to what you did before. I'm going to go up and down. Obviously I have better balance on the other side. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Keep going for me. Okay, now down, pulse. Keep going. Nice and pulsed. All right, and up. All right, lunge is done. Out of road. Shake those legs. All right, next we're going to go into a sumo squat. So legs are nice and wide apart. And I just want you to go slowly, nice and controlled, up and down. Breathe. You don't have to do it fast. Nice and slow, nice and controlled. Okay, now down, stay in that squat, and we're just going to pulse it for 10 seconds. All right, and you're up. All right, shake those legs out. Okay, next we're going to do some toe circles. So I've got the chair here. Hopefully I'm feeling balanced today. But if you're not, grab yourself a chair to hold on to, or the bench, anything that works. And I just want you to just do that toe, round and round and round. Around we go. Round and round. Keep going. See how I've got my arms out? Now I've moved them. That's just to help me with balance. Okay, this one's great also on the fact that it's your core that is holding you stable. All right, lost balance right at the perfect time. Switch legs. Away we go with the left. See if you can keep that balance just with your arms without using the chair, just so we're using those little core muscles just a little bit more. Round we go, round and round. Ten more seconds. Doesn't matter if you keep losing balance. Trying. All right, down. Real quick jog and squat. All right. Next, we're going to go into squat with a side leg lift. All right, so you're going to go into the leg lift as you come up, and we're going to rotate that side to side. All right, so if you need to watch first, watch first. Squat, up, squat, up, squat, up, squat, up, squat, up. All right, make sure you're joining in. Those side leg lifts can be as big or as small as you want, as long as you're doing them. Keep going for me. Ten more seconds. One more. All right. Shake those legs out. Hopefully you're starting to feel them by now. All right, simple. Just give me some high knees up. Okay, now hold that knee up there, and I want you to swing it just from the knee down. All right, just swing it back and forth. Once again, that balance is coming into play, and you're having to use those core muscles to hold you there. Okay, knees up again. And then obviously, whatever leg you did before, we want to do the opposite this time. All right, so for me, it's left knee up, swing, back and forth. Keep that leg up, and we're just swinging it. Keep going. Try and keep that balance. Okay, ready? Down, all right. Next, nice and simple. All right, I just want you to do a toe tap back. All right, get those toe taps happening for me. Let's go. Just a nice little simple tap to the back. You might feel like you're not doing much, but this is great for all of our butt area, so we want to do it. Ten more seconds. All right, Walk on the spot. Give yourself a break for a second. Next, we're going to go into a sumo squat position again. All right. So nice and wide apart. Hop down into that squat for me. I want you to raise those heels. All right. Raise them up and down. Up and down. Up and down. I can feel this one. That's when you're starting to feel your workout. All right. Now for 10 seconds, I want you to put those heels up and just pulse it. All right. Let's go. Pulse it with those heels up. Go. Another couple seconds. Burn. Bit of loose balance. There you go. Shake those legs. All right. Next, we're going to go into some skaters. So, you can just, like this, tap behind. All right. Or you can get that little jump. Jump from one leg to the other. Okay, let's go. Use the arms, just helps to move those core muscles into it. Get those lower core working by getting that little twist motion going. Keep going. Couple more seconds. Good job. All right. Now, nice and simple. Just all legs. Give me some kickbacks. So you want to kick your butt. All right? All legs. Just go. Hop down into a little bit of a squat if you can. All right? Just going to make those legs work that little bit harder. Let's go. Kick back. So you can call them kickbacks or you can call them butt kicks. Whatever you'd like to call them, because you're kicking that leg back, you're trying to kick that butt. Let's go. Keep going for me. Let's do another 10. All right. Walk on the spot for a second. Okay. Next, we're simply just going to do a side squat, okay? So you're just standing here, you're going to squat out to the side and out to the side. So just alternate between the two. Let's go, get moving. Squat to the side. Keep squatting for me. Doing great. Remember to keep these deep breaths going. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And you should definitely be feeling your legs right now. All right? You got 10 seconds to go. Then a little break. All right. Just that little walk on the squat again. All right. Remember how before we did those little toe circles? Well, now we're going to change it into a full leg circle. Okay, so pick your side, whichever you want to start with, and bigger. So, as I said before, you need that chair or that bench to lean on. Lean on it. We're going to do 20 seconds, roundabout, on each leg. Okay. Swap legs for me. So whatever you did before, do the opposite now. Keep going. Nice big full leg circles. Round and round. Try and not lose your balance. Couple more. All right. That little jog on the spot. You've just got one to go. So our last one is going to be squats with a tap. So what I want you to do is hop down into that squat position. You stay down in that squat position, and I want you to tap out to the side. Let's go. This is your last one, and then you're done. Finish with a bang. Feel the burn. Stay down in that squat if you can for the whole time. Come on, keep going. You've got 10 seconds to go. You can last that with me. 3, 2, 1, and there you have it. You are done. My name's Megan. As I said, I'm a huge follower of The Healthy Mummy. Check out my page. Subscribe if you want to see what I'm up to. I have got links below that if you want to check out what The Healthy Mummy is all about, there's links there so that you can have a look. Take care. Have a great day. Bye-bye.